أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
أفمن هو قائم على كل نفس بما كسبت وجعلوا لله شركاء قل سموهم أم تنبئونه بما لا يعلم في الأرض أم بظاهر من القول بل زين للذين كفروا مكرهم وصدوا عن السبيل ومن يضلل الله فما له من هاد.
Is he who is watchful over the deeds of every soul? Yet they ascribe associates to Allah. Say, name them. Or are you informing him of something on earth he does not know, or is it a show of words? In fact, the scheming of those who disbelieve is made to appear good to them, and they are averted from the path. Whomever Allah misguides has no guide.
لهم عذاب في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أشق وما لهم من الله من واق.
There is for them torment in the worldly life, but the torment of the hereafter is harsher. And they have no defender against Allah.
مثل الجنة التي أعد المتقون تجري من تحتها الأنهار أكلها دائم وظلها تلك عقبى الذين اتقوا وعقبى الكافرين النار.
The likeness of the garden promised to the righteous, rivers flowing beneath it, its food is perpetual, and so is its shade. Such is the sequel for those who guard against evil, but the sequel of the disbelievers is the fire.